Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold right here on NinjaTrader. And if you want to trade gold right here on NinjaTrader, we need to use right here our toolbar where we can search for gold. So what we're going to do right here is if you go right here to new and select chart, we can search right here for an instrument. And if you want to trade gold, we fill in right here gold, and then you will find right here a list of gold. Now we can also go right here to all, where you can select right here a gold symbol if you want to do that. And if you want to trade futures with gold, you go to future and select right here a gold future if you want to do that. Then double click on it. Then right here you are having here the chart option, and then from here you can click on OK, and then gold will load. So this is exactly how you can trade gold right here on NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.